Now, roles of citizens in maintaining national security. Number one, vigilance. Vigilance involves being conscious of the happenings within the environment. Vigilance helps in curbing the activities of vandals of government properties like transformer, oil and gas pipeline, and so on. Number two is supply of useful information to security agents. Citizens should report to the police or other security agents anybody they feel is a threat to the security of life and property, thereby curbing activities of the criminals. Number three, remain law abiding. Now, obedience to laws of the society helps in preventing anarchy, violence, and riots in the country. Number four, displaying patriotism. Patriotism means having love for one's fatherland. Therefore, a patriotic and dedicated Nigerian will work for the good and peace of the country. Number five, readiness to join the armed force. Whenever the need arises for a citizen to join the army to fight against the nation's enemy, now he or she, that is the citizen, should be willing to do so.